Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make clam chowder soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh or canned clams, 4 slices of bacon, 1 large onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 2 medium potatoes. Also, have 1 cup of clam juice, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 cup of whole milk ready. Don't forget a couple of tablespoons of all-purpose flour for thickening. Start by cooking 4 slices of bacon in a large pot until crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving about 2 tablespoons of fat in the pot. Add 1 diced onion and 2 stalks of diced celery to the pot, cooking until softened, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to form a roux, which will thicken our chowder. Now add 2 diced potatoes and 1 cup of clam juice to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer and cook until the potatoes are tender, usually about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, pour in 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Finally, add your clams, cooking them just until they are heated through, which only takes a few minutes to prevent toughness. Let your chowder simmer gently for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Ladle the hot chowder into bowls, then crumble the crispy bacon over the top. A sprinkle of fresh parsley adds a nice touch. Serve immediately with some warm, crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.